Welcome to our video on maximizing weight loss results with the Metabo Flex supplement. In this video, we will share some effective tips and tricks to help you achieve your weight loss goals. Whether you're just starting your weight loss journey or looking for ways to enhance your current efforts, these strategies will help you get the most out of using Metabo Flex. Before diving into the tips and tricks, let's take a moment to understand what Metabo Flex is and how it can support your weight loss goals. Metabo Flex is a scientifically formulated supplement that combines natural ingredients known to boost metabolism, suppress appetite, and increase energy levels. By incorporating Metabo Flex into your weight loss regimen, you can experience accelerated fat burning and improved overall well-being. One of the most important factors in maximizing weight loss results is consistency. Make sure to take Metabo Flex as directed, following the recommended dosage. Consistently incorporating the supplement into your daily routine will help maintain its effectiveness and provide long-term results. While Metabo Flex can enhance your weight loss efforts, it's essential to follow a balanced diet to optimize your results. Focus on consuming nutrient-dense foods, including fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Avoid processed foods, sugary snacks, and excessive calorie intake. By fueling your body with the right nutrients, you'll support the weight loss process. Hydration is crucial for overall health and weight loss. Drinking an adequate amount of water throughout the day helps your body function optimally and supports metabolism. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water daily. Consider adding lemon or cucumber slices for flavor and added benefits. Staying hydrated will not only enhance the effects of Metabo Flex but also contribute to your weight loss journey. While Metabo Flex can boost your metabolism, regular exercise is still an integral part of weight loss. Find a physical activity you enjoy and aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Whether it's jogging, cycling, or dancing, being active will accelerate your weight loss results when combined with the power of Metabo Flex. Congratulations! You're now equipped with valuable tips and tricks to maximize weight loss results with the help of Metabo Flex. Remember to stay consistent, follow a balanced diet, stay hydrated, and incorporate exercise into your routine. By implementing these strategies alongside the use of Metabo Flex, you'll be well on your way to achieving your weight loss goals and enjoying a healthier lifestyle.